everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to cook and bake together every week. This evening I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tiramisu. We're going to use, instead of the normal lady fingers, we're going to use panettone. I will put all the pictures of the lovely tiramisu on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine. You can go there and have a look. And the video on YouTube will be on rapid, step by step. But if you're not one of my subscribers yet and you like what you see here today, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell. Now you get notifications every time I put a video up. And let's go. Let's start making this lovely tiramisu, guys. And until next time, don't forget, go make an egg and take care of yourselves. Okay, so ingredient wise, we need 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 150 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, a whole panettone, which I'm going to cut in slices. This is coffee, about 4 tablespoons of coffee, and mixed with hot water. I have here 300 grams of double cream, which I whipped, and we're going to need a tablespoon of vanilla essence. So these are all the ingredients. And the first step is to cut the panettone and put it all into this amazing coffee. Yeah, so let's just do that. And when you got leftovers, what do?